Hello students, we are going to discuss about the object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is an approach in which stress is laid on data rather than functions. The data values remain associated with the functions of a particular block of the program so as to encourage data security. Whereas the procedure oriented programming languages, they give more stress on the functions rather than the data items. And here whichever advantages are given, those are the disadvantages of the procedure oriented programming language. So in object oriented programming, the data values are secured and mishandling of the data is protected. You can protect your data from getting misused. Then error detection and correction becomes easier, and for coding complex problems also it is easier than the procedure oriented programming languages. Now next, principles of object oriented programming, short form is OOP. First is data abstraction. Data abstraction is defined as an act of representing the essential features without knowing the background details. For example, if we have to drive a car, then we need to know about the steering wheel, accelerator, clutch and brake, and we need not bother about its design and how the engine works, how the circuits are attached. We need not bother about that. We need to know about only the essential features for driving the car. If we are knowing that, then we can easily drive the car. So we are dealing with the essential features, that is called abstraction. In programs also we will deal with the essential features only. For example, if a student class we have to make, in that suppose we have to find the total and average marks, then the essential features which we have to take in that is just the name of the students and the marks. We will not include the other details like parents' names, hobbies, siblings, etc. Next is encapsulation. Encapsulation is wrapping up of the data and functions of an object as a unit that can be used together in the specific operation. That means that we can insulate the data. That means if we want our data should not be accessed outside directly, then we can limit that access. That means we can hide the data. So encapsulation is wrapping up of the data, that means hiding the data from others for the security purpose.